again. Today we are making oats for fufu, cook and oats, guys. So I'm tired to be eating fufu, yam, potatoes, plantain. Today I decided to make this for my fufu. This one I soak it for 1 hour. So after 1 hour now, I decided to blend it. So keep watching the way I use cook and oats to make fufu. Okay, I'm going to be adding it right away. So you are going to add water inside before you blend it. So let's cover it and blend. Okay guys, it's already blended, and now we are going to be using it to make our fufu. First of all, I have to take off the machine, and here you have to add it here. I hope you guys are seeing it. Guys, let's start turning it. I just on the gas. So all the thing I blend is here. The cook and oats. Now we are going to be using it to make fufu. Keep washing, and it is very healthy meal. This is what I use. I soak it for 1 hour before using it, before putting it. I like how it's going, guys. This is very good. This is natural. Guys, as you can see, my cook and oats fufu is ready. Guys, I can't lie to you, this thing is very good. I have not eaten it yet. I used the other one to make fufu last time. It was not this. This is my first time of trying cook and oats fufu. So good, guys. I guarantee you, you can try it. It's very good. Trust me, very good. So here we are. Oh my god, this is good. This is really nice, guys. Your kids don't like fufu, then we like this. Trust me, like this. Guys, here we are. Then we like this. Trust me, then we like this. Guys, here we are.